This website is created for the Digital Marketing Tools course at the Den Haag University of Applied Science by Frank. This company is not related to any entity business. I choose this design because I want my customer to know how important the communication is, so I use one big, large image to be my homepage. Then my customer's first impression is communication, and our slogan, which is the good life, starts with listening. The design principle is I try to give less text and more images in my website because most of people willing to look at the pictures, not the text. And for the parts, I have homepage and professional. This is a professional team, and this is supervisor. Hearing loose. How to get hearing aids. Well, it's very easy to get the hearing loose. I only give 4 steps. The first step is take an online hearing text. The online hearing text is here, so you can basically do the online text. And what is hearing loose? Those are just the introductions. And if you are a normal people, you want to try it. What's that feeling of hearing loose? You can try the hearing loose simulator, and after where a hair is the simulator. Those other products, because of time, I'm not gonna show all of them. The batteries for another most important thing is return policy. So it's very easy. Only one sentence. All product can be refunded, and every part you can see the contact us. So that's also important.